Hi guys, so what do we have here? This is the Yashica 35. Now this is not the any of the electro ones. This is a purely mechanical rangefinder from Yashica. This is their first camera made between 1958 and 1960, and a fixed lens, 35 millimeters rangefinder. This camera came basically with two lenses, so it was this one, which you can see here, the Yashica 35 with 45 millimeters f2.8. This was the more common one. There was another one, 45 millimeters f1.9. That was slightly rarer. And as you can see, this one it's the shutter ring, it's a bit stiff, but regardless it's working. So here we're testing the 500 of a second. By the look of it, looks like a 100 of a second. Let's try I don't know, let's say 1 second. See, looks like 1 second. Then there's also the bulb. So this camera goes from bulb 1 second and all the way to a 500 of a second. Aperture ranging from, of course, 2.8 all the way to f16. So that's f16. Meanwhile, this camera has a Copal MXV shutter and a coupled rangefinder. It's a bit stiff. Now what I tried to do was maybe loosen up the front element, but I noticed that while doing that the shutter won't fire. So I just gonna have to make use with the shutter ring being very hard to operate. Inside it's clean, all looking good. So when Yashica bought the company called Nicca, this is the first camera they made after the acquisition of Nicca. Prior to this camera, there was the Yashica YE and the YF, which are mostly the Yashica F are basically Leica copies. Now with this one, it's looks more like a Contax than a Leica. So on the top we have counter. We have the film advance. There is also a self timer, which works as it should. I might sell this camera, that's why I'm mentioning all of these things for this particular camera. I'm not sure yet. Under the film rewind, there's the ISO ring. Makes no difference since it's a mechanical camera. There is no automatic exposure or any of that. So this is maybe just for you to remind yourself what film you have inside. It goes up to ISO 400. So yeah, there's a dent, meaning filters won't actually work on this camera. But you can hold a slightly larger filter in front of the camera when you take a picture, if you must. Now, in terms of how big is it, well, I don't know if you can figure it out from the video. I tried to look for a coin of some sort to put it next to it, but all I could find was the charger for the Apple Watch, which looking at it kind of like slightly bigger than a 1 pound coin. So as a comparison, feels pretty solid, and yeah, I think that's it.